Annyeong Atinys! Welcome to another vlog. Today we're finally going to unbox the long-awaited Golden Hour. So I've got two versions. I've got the black version, the Golden Hour black version, and I've got the member version because I wanted Seonghwa on the cover in case I don't get a photo card of Seonghwa. However, the owner of the shop was very kind enough. I actually posted that on my community. He told me to pick a free photo card, and of course I picked Seonghwa because I don't have any Seonghwa photo cards. I always get Mingi or Uyong. Not that I'm complaining, but I wanted to complete like all the 8 members. So I finally got Seonghwa with a little dolphin as well. So cute. And I can't wait to unbox those with you guys. Okay, Ini, Mini, Miny, Mo, which one shall we go first? Is it Kaibaibo? Okay, I'll go with the big one first. Let's see what it's like. And then we'll do the Seonghwa one because it's smaller. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, I am so nervous. I've been waiting for this since they announced it back during Coachella. Oh, okay. Oh, this feels really nice. This, like the logo here, there's like a rough kind of bezeled feel to it. That's so nice. And you guys, ooh, 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 oh. Oh my God, I've got an invitation. Ateez is pleased to invite Atiny to celebrate Golden Hour Part 1. Whoa, I got a fancy invitation. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh, I've got the invitation. I remember when they were doing the unboxing. Yeah, they said that they have an invitation. Oh, how do I open that? Why am I so nervous? Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so, oopsie. So this is the invitation. Oh, that's so nice. It's like a big postcard with all of them. Oh, okay. So it's just the photo card. Postcard with all the members. Golden Hour. And then you've got here the credits. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. It's gold. Oh, I was just watching the filming jacket. Oh my God. I remember Yo-sang was talking about his pants and how they're showing his glutes. Yes, we can see your glutes, Yo-sang. Nothing. Okay, let's put it back in. Let's not. Okay. I'm gonna. Ooh, that's the invitation. Oh my God, moment of truth. Oh, stickers. Stickers, Golden Hour. Stickers. I got Jungwoo. Postcard for Jungwoo. Yay! Baby Bear, our vocal king. Oh, and the egg yolk, as Uyong was saying. Okay, I got Uyong. Jungwoo. Ooh, who did I pull? No! Oh my God! More Captain Hong Joong-hee. Oh my God, I've got so many Hong Joong-hee now. I'm so lucky because I love him. Oh, with his orangey golden hair. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I don't know which ones to use now. Now I have 5. I think I have 5 Hong Joong-hee cards. Yay! Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna put that on my phone. Oh my God. Yay! Oh, okay. The envelope has nothing else. Okay, Golden Hour Part 1. Okay, let's get out the... Ooh. Okay, that's the CD right here. This is the card. Oh, they look really nice. I'm gonna pin. Ooh. Okay, as you can see, guys, all the members. Oh, I wanted to see Seonghwa's high heels that he was talking about. And Wooyoung's was wearing high heel as well. And Captain. This is so pretty. Oh, I remember when they released the photos for these on their app, Tuk app, and everyone just went crazy because how beautiful they look. Ooh, I can't believe Wooyoung said this is an egg yolk. Oh my god. He's so funny, shamelessly funny sometimes. More Hong Jung-mi. He looks so majestic with that hair. It's really nice. Golden Hour. Wow. Oh my god. Why does he look so good in that hair? It has like very Coachella vibes. Oh wow. Oh, look at the heels. Look at those heels. Look at Seonghwa's boots. Oh my god. How did he wear that? This looks so hard to wear. Oh my god, look at him. Look at him. Being all mighty and majestic, as always. And those arms. Someone's been hitting the gym quite hard, as he's been saying. And the gloves. And the hair. Oh. Okay, I'll try to control myself and not fangirl so much about him. Oh. Okay, can we zoom in? Yes, we can zoom in. Whoa. Will you look at that silhouette? Oh my god, he's like a Broadway star, not a K-pop star. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, this is so good. This is really good. And this, oh my god, those eyes and the lips. Whoa. Okay, moving on. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna move on pretty quickly. Look at that. How can you move on from that? Oh my god, why is he killing us, this comeback? Seriously. That look is just perfect, and he seems to really like it, very comfortable in it. And it suits him really well. It brings out his unique character. Oh my god, more Seonghwa. Oh. Whoa. Oh, mother. Mother of all mothers. Killing us as always. Whoa. Can we please appreciate this pants skirt kind of thing? It looks really cool. Okay. Oh, Yu. Oh, Yu warms my heart whenever I see him. Just makes me so happy. Oh, Yu. Oh, he looks so good here. He has really nice lips. Has anyone ever noticed that? He has really nice lips. Okay. Yu silhouette. More Yu. I really like that picture. I remember they released that as well. Okay, more Yu silhouette as well. Yu. See guys? Look at his lips. He has really nice lips. We need to appreciate that. Oh, Yoo Sung-hee. He's so cute when he couldn't hold his smile when he was shooting the photos. He's so cute. Oh my god. I like when his hair is parted like that. I don't like when he has like the full fringe. I feel like it hides his beautiful eyes and his beautiful face and bone structure and cheeks. I don't know why. But see, if he has this hair, it looks much nicer. Oh, he's so pretty. Those weird pants showing his glutes. And he's so happy with it. Oh, look at that. So angelic. So beautiful. Those are really nice pants. You know, I was under the impression that they did the photo shoot in America, but apparently they did it in Korea. I thought this was all in America while they were doing Coachella. all the members. So beautiful. Sunny! Those eyes, so intense. Such intense eyes. He has that intense come hither kind of look. See? Yes, we will come here, Sunny. Whatever you say. Sunny silhouette. More Sunny. He has that eyebrow look as well, like Uyong. They both seem to like to do that look. See? Oh. Oh. He looks very lost in thought. More Sunny. Oh, so beautiful. And Mingy! Mingy has nice lips as well. He's all glammed up. He was talking about his rings in the jacket as well. Oh, Mingy does not need to be more tall, so I don't think he's wearing heels either. He's so beautiful. Has such nice bone structure as well. All of them do. Mingy silhouette. More Mingy. Whoa. Oh. Can you guys see that? Super Mingy. He really likes that look, that side look. And of course he likes to show off his bling bling always. So nice. Uyong! Here when he had the short hair. I'm glad that his hair is getting longer now. He looks way, way sexier with the long hair. He's so beautiful. Has such beautiful jawline as well. And eyes. Look at that. Oh, oh. I like the mole underneath his eyes. So pretty. Silhouette. More Uyong. Oh, he's so pretty. Jungwoo! Oh, his eyes look really intense here. Oh, I love that look on him. So cool. And the piercings makes him look so cool. Silhouette. Silhouette as well. Oh. Oh wow, look at that intense look. Our vocal king. This is so cool. And the group photo. The one that's on the photo card. And then the track list. Blind. Oh my god, I love Blind. I keep playing it all the time over and over again. And of course, gotta work. Gotta make that money make purse. The empty box makes me cry, especially San's part, that last part. It's so beautiful. And then Shaboom. I felt like Shaboom was a bit different. Like it's not Ateez at first. And then it grew on me. And the more I listened to it, I just found it so sexy. And Siren as well. I love Siren, even when they released the preview. It was really, really good. Okay, so this is the track credits and by Maddox, of course. And then we've got the lyrics. Take my soul, take my heart, el amor es eco. I love this. I love, love, love Blind. It's so beautiful. So sexy. The Latin vibes is just amazing. And of course, work. Gotta make that money make purse. Got a fur coat so we make it purr. Give them whiplash when they see me earn. Gotta work. Now whenever I go to work, I feel like that, even though I don't like my work. But if Ateez is telling me to work, I'm gonna work Ateez. Just so I can afford this stuff. That's my only motivation for working. And this is empty box. Oh, it's so beautiful. I've been searching for an empty box. That's what I need. I'll never miss you. Oh, it makes me cry. Shaboom. Fuck your body, shaboom. Shaboom. Break it, drink it more. Keep it going. Break it down. Oh, I love it. Yeah, energy. I thought he was saying allergy at first. I was like, who's joining his allergy lyrics? Turns out to be energy. Okay, you learn something every day with Ateez. And then, siren, keep on calling louder. Ringing siren, hear the ringing siren. I love it. Okay, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Atiny in the house. And that was Ateez Golden Hour. Okay, let's unbox Seonghwa here. Let's see what's inside Seonghwa. Okay, that did not come out right. What's inside Seonghwa? Maybe what's inside Seonghwa's mind. Atiny and Legos. Okay, a little ASMR for you guys. Ooh, this has a nice rough feel to it. Ooh, okay. Oh, my heart is bursting. Oh, those pretty lips. Oh my god. Okay, trying to pull out what's in there. This is like a Polaroid of Seonghwa. Oh my god. Why is this so good? I am so glad I got this version. So happy. Oh my god. So pretty. Oh, I finally got my Seonghwa photo card. Now I have two. Yay! Release the confetti. Woohoo! And another one. Oh my god. Oh, finally. I really love that look on him, that t-shirt. It's so pretty, the YSL t-shirt. Oh my god. He's so pretty. Yay! Happy day. Oh, happy day. I'm so happy, you guys. And Ateez sticker. I'm putting that on my iPad. Is there anything else? Nope. Ooh, okay. Where's the CD? Oh, there it is. Yay! Now I've got two CDs. Okay, let's open. Oh. I want to cry. He's so beautiful. Hwa lovers, are you with me? He's so beautiful, right? Oh, no. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Control yourself, D. I'm controlling myself. Okay. So beautiful. Oh man. Oh, that side profile. Oh good lord. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna scan it and share it with you guys in the community. Oh wow. I didn't see that. They didn't show this in the filming jacket. That's so beautiful. I love the pale tones. Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh wow. His hair was not that long here. Whoa, I really like that one. So beautiful. Oh no. Look at that. Oh my god. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. And then this one, and then this one. And here. I'm trying to control myself, guys, so if I'm silent, I'm still here. I'm still trying to keep my cool. Oh, okay. I'm trying to keep my cool. Ooh. So beautiful. Here, so pretty as well. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. And then, oh, a group photo. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. I love them so much. And then we have track list. I love the color. It has a bit of like pinkish maroon kind of color. So beautiful. And then we have the track list again. And all the song credits. And then album credit. And then that's it. That's it, you guys. That was the unboxing of the mighty majestic Seonghwa Golden Hour version. Seonghwa photo cards, a little mini Polaroid, and Ateez sticker, Golden Hour themed. And here's the other photo cards. That's it, you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Annyeong! Bye-bye!